Hi, I'm May Packard, an onboarding specialist over at Alpine IQ. I'm excited to introduce one of my favorite Alpine IQ features, which is our recipes. Our recipes are quick setups that include all the ingredients needed to carry out a specific campaign. All of our recipes include an SMS, email, browser push, and native app push campaign. They also all include an audience as well. You'll also notice that depending on the style of the recipe, some may contain points as well as discounts. If you are new to the Alpine IQ program, best practice would be to choose a beginner style recipe. When you select a recipe, you will find an overview, ingredients, and instructions on what the recipe contains. To download the recipe, select the Install Recipe button. A message will appear notifying you once it has been successfully installed. Recipes are able to be customized to fit your brand. It is best to go into each campaign channel and customize the branding for each communication tool. Now, once you are satisfied with the messaging and any modifications for each of the campaign channels, make sure to save the settings, and just like that, you have successfully installed your first recipe.